So to get the water to clean, you actually need like a body of water to get it from, and all the plants, they get it from an aquifer, which is like an underground river or lake. In Cape Coral, actually, they pull their water from a lower aquifer, which like goes 750 feet down to the ground. And then, can you hold that? After, we have a booster pump right here to help the water get to the pre-filter, which is the cartridge filter, which gets sort of like the sand and gravel. And after that, we'll go into one of the main filters. There is a softener, RO, which stands for reverse osmosis, and then there's a lime filter. And I actually have a piece of RO membrane that they use to clean it. It's wrapped tightly with the machine, so it gets all the bacteria out. The RO system, it actually takes everything out of the water, even the good stuff. So along the lines of the going to the ground storage tank, there'll be added chemicals in it. Then after it goes to the ground storage tank, there's a highly pressured pump that will pump all the water to the houses, which will give them all water.
So what she's doing now, she's actually hooking up one of the pumps, and this is the pump that's pulling the water out of the ground or the aquifer, right? Mm-hmm. Or the lake.
Yeah.
And what she's doing, rather than hook both pumps up at the same time, she's hooking one pump at a time. That's called priming, getting all the air out and putting just the water through, otherwise it won't push through. And you can see the water dripping through right here. And it's gonna fill that tank. And when it gets to a certain point, then she's gonna start the next pump.
My dad, he builds and designs these, so it was really easy for me since I already knew a lot from the past years of me going to work with him.
See it from that side, but she actually have T-fittings which represent a bathtub, a shower, or a sink, and it's pushing water through the homes.
It took me about a day and a half because I went to my dad's work where they have all the materials, so it was pretty easy to build. He works for a company at D.N. Higgins. It's a water treatment company.